Healthy Maintenance Lifestyle. The Baron J Foundation provides health and wellness resources, nutrition, exercise plans, group workouts, and workshops, symposiums exploring current mental, physical, and spiritual health, providing guidance in reducing stress, weight loss, body sculpting, plant-based nutrition, and introducing employment opportunities in health industry and more. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is extremely important because it comes with a lot of benefits that include, but are not limited to, a great body, being more active, a more lovely looking skin, less money, and time spent at the hospital. So it's a no-brainer to live a healthy lifestyle. But this is easier said than done because we live in a fast-paced world. So then the best way to get in tune with a healthy lifestyle is to join a program that offers health and wellness resources that are tailor-made to fit into your schedule. Our Healthy Maintenance Lifestyle package also comes with group workouts and workshops, so you can sweat it out with other like-minded people and even make some cool friends while you're at it. This program is specially targeted at young people who surprisingly find it hard to live a healthy life for obvious reasons. So this program would be filling in the gap in more ways than one. Other areas that would be focusing on include stress reduction techniques, which help in keeping the mind in a calm state. This will keep your mind in the best state to take on any challenges, because a healthy mind plus a healthy body is an amazing combination. We'll also take you through various healthy eating and weight loss habits that will help you feel better and have a better looking body. Who says you have to wait for summer to have that summer body that you crave? There will also be plant-based nutrition, so all participants can cut down on all kinds of meals that do more to us. You would be surprised that these plant-based meals are much better than you think and would do wonders for your body both in and out. Self-esteem is not something that you can touch or feel, but its impact is immense and it can change our entire outlook on life. This is the reason why it's an integral part of this healthy living program, because with great self-esteem, you can move mountains and won't let anyone treat you any less than you deserve. There will be different classes based on this, and you'll be taken through the path of self-worth. Those with interest in healthcare careers are in luck, because participants will be introduced to various courses that they delve into in building up their career in healthcare and fitness. There will be professionals who will take you through each process, and you'll be able to get in the line above the line. It's easy to get into this program, and we can't wait to get you started on it.